Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Xbox controller with your mobile phone so that you can play Minecraft Pocket Edition. So firstly what you want to do is on your Xbox controller, alright? And so when you on it, normally it will already be connected to your Xbox since you have already paired it when you first bought it. But my Xbox downstairs is switched off. The power is removed from my Xbox and that's the reason my controller isn't pairing with it. And now what you want to do is go ahead and open Bluetooth on your mobile device. What you want to do is you'll get the option for many things, and what you want to do is click on Xbox wireless controller. Alright. So once you do that, what you want to do now is press this button on top. Okay, so this is the sync button on top right next to the charging port. You want to press on that continuously, and now it's going to connect in some time, and it's going to give you this option, pair with Xbox wireless controller. Okay, just click on OK and voila. So as you guys can see, so now the Xbox light isn't blinking anymore. Alright, sorry guys, I disconnected it by mistake, but as you guys can see, now it is connected, and what you want to do now is go ahead and test it in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you. Look at this guys. So look at this. So this is proof that it completely works. Alright, look at this. Alright guys. Alright, so that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.